Every time I started designing a master bath, what we think is a peaceful space, a space to relax, a space that has this feeling where people can actually relax and enjoy their time there. And this is not an exception. So again, on this one, we wanted to make sure that we brought these elements that make this space elegant, that make the space timeless, but at the same time, just keeping in line with the natural materials and neutral colorways that you can see throughout the house. So for this one, we decided to go with these wood washed cabinets. However, very clean, very straight line in the symmetrical space, just to make it cleaner and timeless as well. For tiles throughout, we decided to go with this beautiful marble and just make it interesting with the patterns throughout the floor, and as well as this beautiful silver tile in the master shower.